This is a view of our first night's hut. Awesome place. Fridge, stove, fireplace. And this is what's waiting for us tomorrow morning. Arangieskop. Morning, day 2. Mountains covered in cloud. We're heading up there somewhere. This is our first stop after 40 minutes. It's extremely humid. All the guys coming up. And there's the hut in the distance behind the dam. There the guys going into the mist. If you can see. Now we're 870 meters above sea level, so we've climbed about 500 before we descend into the kloof, which we can't see right now because of the mist. Roughly 2 hours. There's the first ladder coming down to the kloof. Nothing too hectic. And there's the chain right down to the bottom of the kloof here. Here's the kloofie. We're now at an elevation of 1,248 meters, and usually from here we have an awesome view of Robertson, but obviously today is mist. And here's a small water spot here. Normally we have lunch here. It's now 12:30 and finally the mist is beginning to clear. The peak is in this direction, but it's still fully misted up towards Robertson. It's now 1 o'clock and finally we are at the hut. Arguably one of the most awesome, stunning huts in the whole of the Western Cape. It's now 12:30 and finally the mist is beginning to clear. The peak is in this direction, but it's still fully misted up towards Robertson. It's now 1 o'clock and finally we are at the hut. Arguably one of the most awesome, stunning huts in the whole of the Western Cape. To some of the views from the Koo over the Koo Valley. Stunning. And this is what it looks like inside of the hut. It's 6:05 on day 2, and you've got this rude 200-meter climb ahead of you. This is all part of the uphill on day 2. Mountain. It's freezing cold. It took us 40 minutes up, and there's no view to speak of. Nothing. It's an awkward section on day 2, just coming down the mountain, just below the towers. One's got to be careful here. Yeah, the mist is slightly clearing. Maybe you can see this. Very steep and very slippery. Down. The mist just seems to be getting thicker and thicker.
Yes, I will. I'll pick up. Dis 'n gladde storie hier, hoor. Baie gladde stories. Outside.
Almost looks like a rainforest today. It's so wet. And the mist is getting thicker and thicker. There's a beehive. And really one of our members got stung and they're very, very unhappy.
Dit is wanneer jy geraas maak en shit met die klip gesteel.
Daar sou hulle wel doen. Links van jou. Regs van jou meen ek.
Okay, ek wil net kyk hier, ek wil net hier asseblief wil doen. Kop, miskien nog rond staan en kyk. Ek weet.
And now the place is heating up. The guys are really in a big hurry now. I don't know why.